Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert solid straight black line in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to insert solid straight black line. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and select the shapes drop down menu. We can see here many shape. Now I will go to the line section, select the line shape. You can draw the line horizontally or vertically. Now I am draw horizontally. Press shift on your keyboard to draw the line. Perfect. Then select the line shape and go to the shape format menu. Click the outline option and make the solid black color. You can increase the white. Select the outline again and go to the white option and increase the white. Now we can see we make a solid straight black line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.